Hello, welcome to Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. So what's the subject for today? A lot of times people think the only way that they're going to get the green card through employment is to get some company to sponsor them and wait until the visa number becomes current and then do the perm, the I-140, and then the adjustment or the consulate processing. And I can tell you from India, what's called employment-based preference, whether it's EB-2, which is if you have a master's degree, or EB-1 if you have a couple years experience or a bachelor's degree, the wait is many, many years. And there is a way of doing employment-based green cards that a lot of people don't know about, and it's actually called EB-1C, and around the world it is current. Okay, the EB-1C has never been backlogged. So if you qualify, that is the way that you should come in and get the green card. So what is it? Well, first of all, a lot of people think when I say investment visa that they have to plop down $1 million, or now it's like $1.8 million, and they get a conditional green card, and after 2 years they have to file another petition and show there's 10 U.S. employees, and it's very difficult to do that. The EB-1C, you start off by having your own business in your own country, whether it's China or India, anywhere in Europe, South America, anywhere. And it doesn't even have to be in your home country. You just have to have a company that you own or that is owned by you and other people, of which you manage. In one way or another, you're a manager, you're an executive, in that type of position. It's obviously not a little place in your garage that you're on the computer, answering emails. It's a real company, and you have a real managerial or executive position. Then you or your company buys a company in the U.S. that is either owned entirely by you or by the same denomination of people who own the company in the foreign land, the one you currently work for. And it doesn't have to be anywhere near $1 million investment. In fact, I've done a lot of EB-1Cs where the investment in the U.S. is $20,000 to $40,000. It relatively speaking, it's not that much. You then come to the U.S. in order to be a manager or executive of the U.S. company. So in actuality, you are the manager or executive of two different companies, one in the foreign country and one in the U.S. And because of that, minus some other factors, but primarily because of that, you would qualify for the EB-1C multinational manager visa, where that's an I-140 petition that is filed without a company sponsor, without waiting on a visa list, and with only doing the I-140 and then the adjustment of status if you're in status, or the consulate processing. Your spouse and your children who are under 21 and unmarried can come along as well. And it's pretty much it's not very well known, this EB-1C, but it's a fantastic way of getting the green card. So if you're a business person and you own a company, or with people who own a company in the foreign land, then you are at the beginnings of qualifying for this without having to worry about where to find an employer to sponsor you and so forth. Okay? Hope you liked the video. More on the coming weeks. Click like and subscribe, and see you next week. Bye.